Hi, this is Julie, keeper of my home. I actually wanted to video something and then forgot that I was going to video it and already started doing it. So I'm kind of in the process, but I'm at the beginning of the process. So I want to bring you along with me. I'm standing here, you can see that back wall. You're probably used to seeing that in my pantry challenge video. I gotta take my Valentine's stuff down. This is my dining room, but I kind of feel like I want to rearrange. So this dining room is not going to be my dining room anymore. I'm gonna change things around. Not sure exactly what it's gonna look like. I may even end up putting it back. I don't know, to be honest. I'm pooped. I feel like a sweaty mess. I'm in the middle of vacuuming this floor because we've already moved most of the stuff out. I don't know how much more I'm moving out. Let me just show you what the room looks like. You can see the table is missing and I've been vacuuming. I do have the floor vacuumed. There's a few things over here in the corner that I've just shoved out of the way. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this stuff yet. Just not sure. I may move this completely out, but we'll see. There's really nothing in here else. Ow. I just walked under that light. It is a little low because I'm used to it being over the table. So I will lift that up. But let me show you what's going on out here in the kitchen area. That's the table and the little rocking chair that was in here that may go back in. And you can see there's a box of some cookbooks that we found tucked away that I've got to go through. That was not in the dining room. It was upstairs, but I brought it down to go through. These are all the chairs and the bench. And this is the way the living room is currently. I want to put the dining room in here. I've done it once before. It was a really long time ago. Quite a while ago, actually. But I think that's how I want to do it again. I think it might work this way. I'm not sure. I'm just not sure about any of this right now, what we're going to do. But all of this is going to go into the dining room. And the dining room is going to come out here. So we'll see. We'll see what it looks like. So just wanted to bring you in on what we're doing and just take you along with us. We have some company. 2 girls that their mom's working late today, so they've come to stay with us until she's finished work. Say hi, girls.
Hi.
Are you guys gonna help us move?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm gonna help.
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna move the table next. Where do you think we should put it?
Ooh, I want it to be right here. Which room is this gonna be? You go, Mimi.
You want to set it right there? The chair?
I'll send it. I'll put it under there.
think this is how it's going to be. I mean, I have some tweaking to do. I'll tweak as I go. We just have some blankets here in a basket with some toys. And it's a little stand here. And I will probably move the sofa down a little bit further that way, I think, maybe. Just so it's not so close to the door. Rye has already made herself comfortable. I'm gonna close that door. I keep hitting that light with my head, so I am going to have to lift that up. And this area is just a little sitting area. Rye is reading a book. She's reading the series Little House in the Big Woods. So she does have her book there. Blankets in a basket. That basket was a flea market find. I love it. I've had it for, oh gosh, I don't know, before we built the house, and we built the house 8 years ago. I paid $10 for it at a flea market, and it's a pretty good sized basket. I would say it's at least 2 feet tall. It's good size. Okay. I like this area. I think I like it. What do you guys think? I'm going to leave that there. That is not something I want to take down and put back up. So that'll stay. That cabinet will stay. This door goes to our entryway, and we don't heat the entryway, so I do put that little quilt on the floor just so that there's no draft under the door. Up here in the winter, it is cold. All right, so that's the room, and one thing you will notice is that there's no TV in here. I am not a big proponent of a TV. I don't like them. We very rarely watch TV, rare. We have a hotspot on our phone. We don't have internet. We don't have satellite. We don't have cable. We we cut that cord over 2 years ago. And that was a long, hard battle between my husband and I. It was something I really wanted to do, but he was not ready to do. So when he was ready, I was like, let's go for it. So we did that. Like I said, we just have a hotspot on our phone, and we just really pretty much just watch. Okay. Okay, that's a good idea. I think it looks good there. We do have some YouTube channels that we watch. We have our phone to watch. We do have a TV in our bedroom. And, we'll occasionally watch YouTube on there. But other than that, we don't watch TV. Okay, so let's move into the dining room. All right, this is the dining room. I have not asked my husband what he thinks of it this way yet. I like it today. I don't know how I'll feel about it later. I mean, maybe I'll get tired of it quick. I don't know, maybe I'll decide it doesn't work. But I do like it. I like this area here. That cabinet just has tablecloths and different linens and things, table linens. So I just feel like maybe that makes it look more dining room-ish. And we have the fireplace. And you'll notice that I am all decorated for spring. I covered Valentine's, I covered Easter, I covered spring, I covered it all so that I don't have to take that down until I'm ready for fall. And I like that. I needed hope in the middle of a very barren winter, so I decorated for spring. Okay, I'm anxious to hear what you guys think. The girls love it. We've got Madeline watching a little movie here. She says this is the best day ever. So I guess that is a big thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comments below of this new space. Anxious to hear. I create 2 new videos every week on simple living, homestead grown, and all things home. And until next time.